Hi there, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to give you a quick couple of tips on how to take care of the foam gaskets in the Luvele Supreme Plus vacuum sealer. The Luvele Supreme Plus is super reliable, but if you are having issues with it vacuum sealing, this is generally caused by the foam gaskets. So it's super important to keep these in good working order. First up, when using your vacuum sealer, always be sure that the foam gaskets are free of all food and moisture residue. If you accidentally get some food on them, clean it off straight away. If you're vacuum sealing multiple bags in a row, it's also important to keep an eye on the foam gaskets to make sure they stay in position. Over time and with extended use, the foam gaskets may need replacing from time to time. So let's take a quick look on how to do this. The Luvele Supreme Plus has been designed with our easy lock handle. When you go to store your vacuum sealer, be sure that the easy lock handle is in the store position. This will protect the foam gaskets from becoming compressed or damaged during storage. To replace both the upper or lower foam gasket, simply lift up one corner out of its groove until it's fully removed. Grab your replacement foam gasket, and we're going to start by placing one end into its groove and just pressing down with your fingers so it's nice and flat. Do the same with the other end, and then go along the length of the foam gasket, pressing down nice and gently until it's sitting flat in its groove. And that's how simple it is to replace the foam gaskets in the Supreme Plus vacuum sealer. The process is exactly the same for the upper foam gasket. We hope that was helpful, and please remember we include a bonus set of foam gaskets with each Supreme Plus vacuum sealer, so you have these on hand. If you do need another spare set, you can order these through our website. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you again soon.